Hello and welcome to this tutorial for the TimedMessages plugin. TimedMessages is a plugin for your Bucket server which enables you to schedule periodic messages which are displayed to your players. My name's Gran Wazir, I'm the developer and maintainer of TimedMessages and I recommend this plugin to you. So to start with you need to type /tm to get a list of commands. So you can see I've got the reload, start, status and stop commands. At the moment, if I type tm status, you will see that no timers are running. So I've stopped all the messages for the purpose of learning how they work for this video. Now if we go into our bucket folder where our Minecraft server is, you'll see that you'll have in the TimedMessages folder a file called messages.yml, and in here you'll have something similar to this. So you can see I've got one timer and it's called general hints. I've got a mode, delay, permissions, worlds, etc. We're going to ignore all the advanced options for now, we're just going to stick with messages. So you can see here I've got 3 messages set up. Type help for details about our commands, type home to set your home, and you may not build near spawn. And each of these messages will be sent every 10 seconds. So what will happen is this mode is random. So every 10 seconds a random message will be chosen from this list and displayed to all the players in the world and have the permission group default. So if we go back to our Minecraft server and start the timers, you'll see in a second I will receive some messages from this list. And there we go, type home to set your home. If I go back to my list, we'll see what the next one's going to be. Type help. So you can see it started there and then went up to there. So it is truly random. Now occasionally you may want to set it up so the messages actually happen in order on your list. This is easily done. I need to change the mode to rotation. Save the messages file. Back to Minecraft. TM reload. TM start. Resets my messages. And now you'll see the changes have taken effect. Type help for details on our command is the first one on the list, and the next one will be type home to set your home. Brilliant, it's working correctly. Now this delay here uses the same time syntax as all my plugins. If you've come from Banhammer you'll be familiar with this, but for people who haven't I'll just quickly explain how it works. So you have a number of options. You can go up to days. So let's say I wanted it to happen every 1 day, 12 hours, 15 minutes and 10 seconds. You can see I'm just putting a number and then a letter afterwards to signify the unit of time. Obviously that would be an insane message to have. No one will ever see it. So you're probably only going to want to stick with minutes and seconds. So if I change it to 2 seconds for example, and then go to here and reload, we are going to get spammed with messages, no doubt. Yeah, the pace is definitely quickened. Now there's more you can do with this. I can have more than one timer going at once. So if I go back to my messages file, and let's say I wanted to add another one. This was like the general hints for my server. I'm just going to change that back, otherwise it's going to get annoying. Let's say I just want to put some random portal quotes into my server. Everyone loves random portal quotes. So, in true Blue Peter fashion, here is one that I created earlier. And you can see I've got portal quotes, the mode is random, and there's a different portal quote every 7 minutes and 47 seconds. Now what this means is after the first message, there is a delay of 7 minutes and 47 seconds. So if I stop the messages, just make sure I've saved that file. TM reload to reload the file, and TM start. You'll be able to see I'll get a portal message and a generic message after the 5 seconds elapse. There you go. And that's basically all there is to it to creating messages. There's a couple of things we haven't covered, which we'll just do quickly now. So another thing you can do is TimedMessages has color support. So for example, let's say I wanted to color this. All my space messages in light purple. What I do is I end up putting an ampersand, light purple, which is the color, and everything after that will end up turning light purple. Now it's really important when you use this to put double quotes around your message. If you don't do that, when you load the plugin, you may lose some messages in the file. So make sure that you do that. It's really, really very important. And now when I hit start, you'll be able to see that the messages should be in light purple. Oh, but in this case, I don't think I turned that one light purple, did I? No, I didn't turn them all light purple. Let's just do that quickly so I can show you. Oh, yeah. So let's have a go. Another go. And then save. TM reload. TM start. Starting 2 messages. And you can see it's now all in light purple. Now you don't have to do your whole message in one color. You can mix and match. So for example, I could put favorite in red. Oh, I could put favorite in red if I put it in the right place. And I could put thing in green, about in white, etc, etc. And I'm just going to set this to rotation so I get the first message first. TM reload, TM start, and you should be able to see we have a multicolored message. Magic. And that's as simple as it is, really, for setting up color in your messages. The only other thing we haven't covered so far is permissions. Now, if you have a permission set to a message, a player must have that permission to receive the messages on that timer. Additionally, you can set worlds that that player must be in to be able to receive that message. So, for example, if you've got a guest world, you could set it so only people in that world receive the messages about set rules and general guidance for new players. If you've got an adventure world, you could actually use the timed messages as adding flavor text to your world. So there's lots and lots of possibilities there. Anyway, I hope you've found this tutorial useful. Please leave me some comments to tell me what works well. Leave me comments if you think there's anything I could improve. And I do hope you use this plugin. It's very simple and very straightforward. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.